Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lair Finance token. Now the Lair Finance token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, April 25th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Lair token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Lair Finance token. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here so you guys can easily find this project. You'll see they have a huge Twitter following, 195,100 Twitter followers. Full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. It says, stake on Lair, boost your yield, cross-chain restaking on Kaia chain and Berachain, plus 3 more L1. Blue verified checkmark, 569 posts. And this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, April 25th, 11 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed, so it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search LAIR, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Lair Finance is a cross-chain liquid restaking protocol that amplifies native yield staking and unlocks liquidity across multiple Layer 1 blockchains by issuing yield-bearing liquid restaking tokens, such as RST Kaia on Kaia and LRBGT on Berachain. Lair Finance enables users to compound rewards, deploy capital in DeFi, and capture additional incentives, all while contributing to a validator security. The Lair token is the connective tissue powering incentives and value capture across the expanding Lair ecosystem. Each Layer 1 blockchain has unique characteristics and focuses. Some target consumers, other emphasize trading on DeFi, and Lair connects these diverse ecosystems to accelerate their growth collectively. Unlike simple restaking solutions, Lair designs chain-optimized frameworks that amplify the growth potential of each underlying blockchain. The Lair token is the connective tissue powering incentives and value capture across the expanding ecosystem, driving a self-reinforcing value flywheel that benefits all participants. So the background, they have staking secures proof-of-stake networks but locks capital. Liquid staking tokens, LSTs, free up liquid yet leave native yield under-optimized. And restaking, staking an LST again optimizes and maximizes yields, and when deployed cross-chain seamlessly connects multiple ecosystems. Now the vision, Lair Finance delivers cross-chain liquid restaking, a frictionless layer that auto-compounds validator rewards, issues fully liquid LRTs usable anywhere in decentralized finance, channels value back to Lair token holders via protocol incentives. So they have the RST Kaia mechanics. They have the mechanics for the Berachain. They have the Lair Vaults. So Lair Vaults introduce a triple yield layer to RST Kaia on the Kaia chain. They have the Kaia staking yield, the restaking boost, and the partner token emissions. Restaking vaults are dedicated liquidity pools aligned to Lair's line game partners. When RST Kaia is deposited, the underlying ST Kaia continues to restake while the protocol simultaneously farms the partner's game token. Season 1 features 7 partnered studios, each with its own vault and emission schedule. If a partner token is not yet live, users receive a transferable receipt token that converts 1-to-1 into the real token upon listing. Lair Active Vault Token. If a partner token isn't live yet, you'll receive a 1-to-1 receipt. Example would be Bombi. When the token lists, the studio airdrops the real token to receipt holders. Receipts are transferable, but check liquidity before swapping. Now, the tokenomics of Lair, it says there is a fixed supply of 1 billion Lair tokens. Inflation, none emissions come from the ecosystem fund. 40% of the tokens will go to the community. 30% will go to the ecosystem fund. 14% to investors, 13% core contributors, 3% strategic partners. The utility of the token is for restaking collateral, so mandatory pairing with LSTs, fee accrual, value capture across L1 ecosystems aligned with market demand for Lair token through treasury-driven mechanisms, governance participation, so DAO proposals and validator whitelisting. They have ecosystems and partnerships, like with Mexc is one of the partners, and that's where the token is listed today. Also, KB Bank, Kakao Ventures, Wagme Ventures, etc. And in conclusion, Lair Finance merges the capital efficiency of liquid staking with the compounding power of restaking, cross-chain, and user-centric. Powered by the Lair token, the protocol transforms idle staked assets into productive, liquid, and interoperable yield instruments. Join us as we build the liquidity layer for the next wave in decentralized finance. And you can find all the info at lair-finance.gitbook.io. That's their full white paper. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.